Everyone who feeds a cat at home knows that the most boring thing is cleaning the cat toilet. The worst part of cleaning the old-fashioned cat toilet is its unhygienic and bad smell. So it needs to be cleaned at least once a day. A curious cat examined the unusual design. A normal cat toilet with a large internal volume when viewed from the inside. So how does it work? After our cat leaves the toilet, Teflon comb separates the feces from the sand and throws it in the dustbin. So what distinguishes TechKlo from other cat toilets? Suitable for all kinds of cat litter. High quality and eco-friendly MDF material, antibacterial Teflon stool separator comb. Odor removal ventilation system with active carbon filter. Examine personalization, sleep mode and usage information by smartphone app. Use and does not require special bags. LED setting that you can adjust according to your request, and being suitable for all kinds of modifications. TechKlo self-clean furniture litter box. Eco-friendly, odorless, quality materials and furniture design. Your new furniture you won't want to keep in your home.